Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Hello everyone and welcome to Fluent English with Amisha. I help you speak English with confidence. Today is day 14th of our 30-day English challenge and we are going to practice role play and real life conversations. Why is role play important? Role-playing real-life situation helps you practice English in a practical way. It prepares you for a common conversations like ordering food, introducing yourself, or asking for help. Number 1. Ordering at a restaurant. Customer. Hello, can I see the menu please? Waiter. Sure, here you go. Would you like a recommendation? Customer. Yes, please. What do you suggest? Section 2. Introducing yourself in a meeting. You. Good morning, everyone. My name is your name, and I work as your job. It's great to be here. Colleague. Nice to meet you. What do you specializing in? You. I specialize in your skill. I am excited to collaborate with all of you. Section 3. Asking for directions. You. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest bus stop? Of course. Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You will see the bus stop on your right. You. Thank you so much. Tips for role play. Practice. Number 1. Practice in front of a mirror. 2. Record yourself and listen to improve pronunciation. 3. Speak slowly and clearly for better fluency. I hope this lesson helps you gain confidence in real life conversations. Keep practicing and watch tomorrow video for another important English lessons. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.